Hello friends, in this video we'll be discussing how to make a directory or a folder inside a directory with the help of Python. Suppose I want to create a folder named letters with the help of Python. So with the help of Python we can create folders or directory using an OS module. So first we will look what OS module is. For checking that either a folder name which we want to create, does it really is present there or not, we can use os.path.exists function. It will tell us if a path exists or not. Let's see with this with example as well. First we need to import os module, and then you will see os.path.exist, and then I will see type out my folder name which I want to see that either my directory contains this folder or not. os.path.exist generally returns a Boolean output, either true or false. If my directory contains a folder named letters, then it will generate an output as true. If it does not contains this folder, so it will return as an output as false. In my current case, there is no folder named letters in the current directory, so it should return false. So it is returning false. Similarly, now if suppose I want to create a directory name letters, so what I will do, I will use I will first see that how to make a directory. So make, okay. So we have a function named make dirs. This function will create all the intermediate folders in a path if they don't already exist. But basically this means that you can create a path that has nested folders in it with the help of os.make_dirs function. So I will use this to create a folder named letters, and then I will see that either this folder has been created or not. So see, okay, so now it is returning true, which means that now our directory contains a folder named letters. Let's confirm it as well. Okay, so now we have a folder named letters in our current directory. In this way, we can create and check that either our current directory has a folder or a directory named letter in it or not. Suppose now I want to add a text file inside this directory. So in that case, I can use open method. Okay, suppose I want to create a list of text files and I want to add some input to it. Let's take and import a string module. This generally what it a string module generally what it does, it will it has many functions or methods inside it. Suppose if we use ASCII.lowercase and print it, so I will get all the list of all the alphabets in alphabetical orders in lowercase. Suppose A, B, C, D. Now suppose I want to create a text files of all these letters. Like I want to create a text file name A, then B, then C, then D, then E inside this directory. So what I will do, I will go with for loop for letter in string.ascii.lowercase, and then I want to create a file, so I will say with open, and I want to make all these text files inside a directory named letters, so I will say letters and then backslash plus letter plus the file extension is .txt as file. Okay, and I want to write something inside this. Okay, so I will use w as file, and I will say file dot write. Suppose I want to write a letter, like whatever the file text file name is there inside that text file, the same letter would be also there. So text letter, and then suppose I want to change the line after this. So backslash n, and then if I execute this, what I will see inside my letters folder, I get the list of all the text files A, B, C, D, E, F with something present inside this. So A, similarly, if I open N, so I get N inside this. In this way, we can create a directory and add a text file inside any of the directory using OS module. That's all. Thank you for watching.